Today, we are going to learn how to do operations on large numbers. So, do you know what operations are? Yes, they are the mathematical processes, and today we would be learning about the 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Your cousin Anamika is keeping a track of her savings. Her monthly salary is 42,870. Apart from this, she earns a bonus of 7,500 every month. Her monthly expenditure is 22,000. Can you help her in finding the annual saving? Let us begin the problem by calculating the monthly saving. Can you think of a way to do it? Yes, monthly saving is monthly earning minus monthly expenditure. Monthly earning is the sum of the monthly saving and monthly bonus, that is 42,870 add 7,500. Let us use column method to help us. So, the monthly earning is rupees 50,370. Now let us find the monthly saving. Substituting the values, monthly earning as rupees 50,370 and monthly expenditure as rupees 22,000, the monthly saving is rupees 32,370. Now, can you think of a way to find annual savings using monthly saving? Do we use addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Yes, we multiply the monthly salary by 12. Using long multiplying, the annual saving is rupees 3,88,440. Today, we learned how to use operations in large numbers. Now, it is time to try another question. There is a big factory having 25,000 kg of rice. How many rice packets, each of 3 kg, can be made? So, which operation are we going to use in this case? Yes, we would be dividing the total quantity of rice by the quantity of rice in one bag. That is 25,000 kilograms divided by 3 kilograms. The number of rice bags is 8,833. I'm sure that now you are feeling confident at using operations. Stay tuned for our next video.